if I lose.
You ready?
Yeah, that's how I'm going.
3, 2, 1.
What is up, guys?
What's going on? We're back here again with what is it called?
King of Texas.
King of Texas.
Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of King of Texas. This is a game of skate where anything in the skate park counts. Ledges, ramps, stairs, etc. Fuck you, Judah. It's one attempt each until Texas is spelled out. Spots must be alternating winning commands, so you can't pick the same spot 2 times in a row.
You cannot.
That means if you sit on stairs, your next set can't be stairs. If you sit on transition, your next set can't be transition.
Don't do that.
Every skater has to skate over the trash can at least one time. Defense has 2 tries and 3 tries on last letter. Offensive and defensive toe drag will ultimately be decided by the referee. Today it'll be me and Julian.
Yeah.
No feet or hands on the ground. That means no compliance, no hand plants, no bonuses. Unless you do it on transition. If you want to do it on transition, I'm not mad at that. We're all friends here, so let's remember to skate hard, have fun, and don't be a hoe. May the best skater win. And I'm gonna just say this because we recently lost a member in our community. We're skating Stoop for Rasta. We're gonna long live Rasta, long live. Thanks for Rasta, bro. R.I.P. the big homie, the little big homie.
Yeah. Little big homie. He's the little big homie. He's my big homie. Yeah, I was about to say, he's my big homie too.
Shout out to the little big homie. Long live Rasta. Ready? Rochambeau, ready? Hold on. Do that shit again. Wait, who won?
He did. He just got.
Okay, well then redo.
I just choose the same thing.
What did I throw, rock?
Yeah.
You gotta get scissors.
Rochambeau. All right. So I'm gonna do 5-0 on the volcano thing.
All right.
No.
No lock in.
You did. Yeah, you missed it.
You didn't lock in.
We got the camera right there. Right there.
Then run it back.
No, he cannot run it back. He missed.
It's one redo on offense.
He definitely had it. So
We're gonna be very strict on this game, boy.
You.
Full cabin to a step up. Bro, you have that shit.
I should have committed. I'm gonna get skunked at this rate. Switch front board on the platform.
You got one more if you want it.
What's that?
T to E.
Alright. Manual this, like ollie out manual.
Bet. One more. Yoo-hoo! Yeah!
Back disaster on the big part of the bowl.
Yeah.
Bangers.
That's a letter, yeah.
Okay, then
So
what
the
now?
nollie flip up to step up.
I bet.
Bangers.
You got it. You got one more try.
No, I don't need it.
E? E?
I think.
T-E? Yeah, everything. Interference.
Yeah. Was he in your way?
It was fully in his way.
Yeah.
Everything?
Yeah, interference.
No stall reaper.
Defense. Validate that hole. Don't do that shit. Go banger. Bangers. Defense. You see, I told you to make it true.
You need a flat, but with the trash can there, does that count?
Yeah, that counts.
Bangers.
Oh my god.
It's my fault.
Yeah, you sure?
You got 2
three.
tries. You got 2 tries.
You got 3. He's got 3. He's got 3. He's got 3 tries.
There's no.
Hey, that is absolutely fucking good.
Bangers.
Keep going. It is good. Who's gonna say no?
He said the flat.
No, I am the referee. He went too flat.
I like.
I got the video, bro.
He's gonna out me right here, bro. Fuck. No, definitely not the flat. I can tell you one thing. I'm not doing that again.
Instead of one, or like you get one more try, but like full send.
You know,
you can clear, bro. If you just
you got one
As
more
long as
try,
you
but if you
clear
don't
it.
want it, hold on, no. Yeah, you got one more try, but if you don't want it, that's game. That's what I'm fucking talking about.
Okay, I'll flip down the double set.
Bangers.
X, okay. Hold on, tell the camera. Oh!
X. I'm gonna feeble this rail.
Bet.
Let me film it with the fish at once.
There you go.
Film this. Hey, it's already filming?
Yeah, it's filming.
You gotta hold it. One more.
Right here, he's gonna land it.
Damn, bro.
I feel like a hoe.
It's a hoe for sure.
I do.
I suck at people's. I don't think I've ever done that trick before.
It's a competition. He knew what he had to do to win, so it's all good.
Yeah, he's like holding it the whole video.
He's just behind
You
him.
can stand right next to me too.
Hey, wait, who's throwing on the 24 pack?
I'll throw it. Hey, just let me do this real quick. Damn. Can I film the outro? Shit.
Hey, yo, get the fuck out.
Can I film the outro real quick and then we can worry about the
Okay,
video?
come on, sit on the side.
Stand on the
3,
side.
2, 1, let's fucking do it.
All right, yo, that was another great game of King of Texas. Unfortunately, there can only be one winner, and today the winner is Damian, aka skatepark, aka Lil Joko, aka
Alex over here.
yeah.
Shout out to J.Bird for killing it too.
Yeah, shout
Shout out to
J.Bird. We still know who's better.
We don't do that shit. No, that'd be you up, nigga. No, yo this way.
People, maybe.
Hey,
Back
papitas.
people.
Dude.
All right, let's do the
Hey, I learned a
outro.
new trick. I've never even hit that with a flash, so that's fire.
Yeah, I know. I remember last
That
time I
was
did it in
crazy.
Carson's game.
This shit was pretty wild. Whenever you play, you gotta full send. Otherwise, you're gonna be taken out.